Hi, Emily. Let's take a look at a couple things to see if we can keep continuing to problem solve this error that you're seeing in the My IT Lab system for Chapter 1. So I've already logged into My IT Lab. I'm looking at the course materials, and I'm going to advance as if I'm ready to submit the homework assignment. So I'm going to click on Chapter 1, and then it'll load, and I'll click on the problem solve for Chapter 1. I'll see the next window that you've been sharing with me with the 4 steps. I'm just going to make that smaller so it fits on the screen. So I've already downloaded the file. I completed the work. I'm ready to submit it. So like you have done, I'm going to click Choose File. I'm going to find my file, select it. I'm going to click Upload. And then when I see this little message, Success, then I think that might be the point at which you're having the trouble. After you click Choose File, you have to click that next thing is Upload, and you have to click that and wait for it to upload to the system. And you have to be able to see the success here before then the Submit link works. So give that a try and then let me know if you have any other trouble.